Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to create tabs. We can tabs inside your React.js application, multiple tabs. You can add them, remove them, just manage them inside your React.js application. So we have this button out there. If you see, once I click the button, I will need able to add multiple tabs. Tabs are nothing but windows in the browser itself. If you see in my browser, we have multiple tabs. In each tab, we have different content. In this tab, the video is running, and in that tab, the different website is loading. So similarly, in our application as well, we can have multiple tabs which can hold multiple types of data at the same time. So in less space, you can have more data. So we have the option to add tab, remove tab. So I will show you a simple React.js package which allows this. So the package name is React tab, and you can even drag and drop the order. So you can even drag and drop something like that we do inside the browser itself. There is an option to drag and drop the order here. You can shift the position like this. You can remove them, you can add them as well. So if you go to npmjs.com and just search for this package, which is React tab, this is actually the package. So it's a mobile. It also supports mobile support, draggable, editable, API based tab for React.js, and this is actually the command. I have already installed it, and it is almost having 181 weekly downloads. It's a fairly new package, and you can see all these options are supported. You can load the data in different panels and tabs. You can add and delete. Draggable, so drag and drop are supported, and it's available for mobile devices as well. So I will show you a very simple example. So just make a simple functional component, and then we need to import the actual package using the import statement. So we import this. So it's almost 229 kilobytes package. And then we also have this method to switch between multiple tabs, which is coming from this package. So now we will actually, inside our component, we need to declare some state variables for this application. So first of all, we will have a variable in the state for keeping track of the active tab or window. So initial value will be 0. We'll use the useState hook. And similarly, for managing different tabs, we will have this useState array, and for array of objects. So each tab will have three options. First is the ID of the tab. It's a numeric value. Then we need to have a label. So I will say tab1. And then whatever content that you want to show. It can be any HTML element, text, images, anything. Similarly, we'll be having the second tab. The label here will be tab2. And then we have the actual content. So in this way, you have an array where you declare multiple tabs, having a single object. And then we come to the JSX, where you need to display. So we have this component of tabs, we surround it, and we provide this active index property. So whatever is the active tab, we will provide this option, the variable. And then we have this variable or component which is drag and drop tab list. So here we need to surround all the tabs using this parent tag, and inside this we will have this map function. For each tab we will loop through using the map function, and for each tab we will surround this using this component drag tab. So it takes an option of key, and we provide a unique ID for the tab which will be coming from this ID variable. And inside this, we first of all just show the label of the tab, which is the title. So you say tab dot label, and then we have a simple button a remove button. So once you click this button, this tab will be removed. So we have a cross button like this. So once you click this button, we execute this function remove tab and we provide the actual index, which is an ID here. So you just need to define this function. So it essentially it removes this tab from this array here that we define in the array in the state. We have this function remove tab. Essentially it takes the index, it filters out, and then it sets it in the state. So that's all. So if you refresh now, you will see different tabs. Initially two tabs are there, tab 1, tab 2. If you click the cross icon, that tab will be removed. So we have now different tabs. If you also want to show the content, so what you will say after this button, we can even show the actual content. So panel list, we surround everything using this. And for each tab, again, we'll be in mapping through tabs.map. For each tab, so here we will be showing the actual content. We will surround it using this panel component. So all these components that I am surrounding here, panel list, panel, and this is drag tab. This supports drag and drop as well. So we are simply importing it from this package. It's all coming from this package. So here we show the actual content of the tab. So we simply tab.id, we give it a key parameter, and then we show the content, tab.content. So now you also see the content as well. Let me see what is the tab list component. Cannot read properties of. So we have this, again we have a button where we add the tab. So we basically binded this function add tab. So essentially inside this function we create a new tab, we give it these three properties, ID, label, content, and then we set this inside this set state function, set tabs. And then we will also have this button. So as I click the button, a new tab will be added. So now we can manage in different tabs, we can have different content available. So we can remove as well, we can add it, and then drag and drop is also supported. So this is this essential package. I've given all the source code of this example in the description of this video. So you can copy this and use it. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.